Hi all, this is a smart switch from AliExpress. What's special about it, it comes with all these screws and attachment. Doesn't really care, but what is important is to know that this is like a programmable light switch, or yeah, I think basically it's for light. And they do supply with it a capacitor, I don't know why, and some wires. And this is the connection diagram. What is special about it is that if you want a few places to control your light, so you have this simple, let's say, switch that you are not supposed, to do any hole in the wall in order to put it. It's very flat and very simple. And inside, I'll try to show you. Yeah, inside there is a battery. This is a 12-volt battery. Yeah, you put it here and you press this. You see it has a light, and this is how you control your switch from several places. Yeah, how it goes, let's see. Okay, need to find how to close it. Yeah, so you see I'm pressing it and I do have a light inside, so you probably can control how it will work. This is the second one. Here you see it is not lighting. Why it is not lighting? Let's see. So you need somehow to open this. There is a battery, but there is a protection on the battery, so we'll remove the isolator and now it will work probably. Yeah, so you just put it like this and then it is lighting. And now we need to connect this part. So here we have just phase and a natural and the light itself, and you can put also another switch beside of these two switches. So you have ability, but I don't think you need to connect this switch because you have this and you have the learn button probably. And now we will connect it, try to connect it. Disclaimer, 220 volt. Try not to do it yourself if you're not, if you don't know what you're doing and you're not qualified for this. And you need also to read the manual. So reading the manual. Okay. They are telling also to use a capacitor in parallel to the bulb. Why? I don't know. Never mind. So the in is the live, and then you have the out to the lamp and the other side to the natural. And why this device, like a clear and control, a safe capacitor should be between natural and the live wire of the lamp shown. Okay, so they are telling also to use this capacitor in parallel to the lamp. Okay, so we'll try now to connect it and see if it is really working. Okay, so let's see how I connected it. Didn't test it yet. So the input is going to phase. Phase is coming from a series breaker that I connected, and this is connected to the phase of this outlet. Yeah, and then the 0 is going from here to the other side of the lamp, and this is the lamp, this is the house of the lamp, and hopefully everything is okay and nothing will explode. It is written 240. Okay, I think everything is okay. Also connected the capacitors that they asked for. So let's now try to connect everything. Hopefully nothing will explode here. Okay, power is not on yet, so I need the circuit breaker to on position. Okay, and now I think nothing works, so probably to wait a few seconds. Oh, you see, now it is working. So what I did, just a long press till it is blinking, and then it now recognize one switch, probably the other not yet. The other is not working yet, so doing the same. Okay, I don't know exactly how he did it. Maybe one press, one shot, and then long. Now it will recognize both switches. This is the first one. This is the second. So basically this is all. So it is working perfectly. Just the learning is not explained very well. But yeah, you play with it a little and then it is learning the switch, and after it is learned, so probably you are good to go and there is nothing else to do. So yeah, I would recommend this. So thank you and bye.